a song of mine called Storm Warning. Open up your window, step outside the door, breathe deep the air outside. You don't need me anymore. Make a meal of bread and cheese, wash it down with wine. Come and go anytime you please. Don't you know it's quitting time? Red sunset in a parish sky, many more miles to go. Storm warning on the street tonight. You better find your own way home. Do you remember better times, like pictures on a wall? Each one just a memory of the days before the fall. That candle's burning lower now, it's flickering in the breeze. Barely lights the exit sign. Oh, I know it's time to leave. Red sunset in a parish sky, many more miles to go. Storm warning on the street tonight. You better find your own way home. You set your sail for the open sea, followed your compass north. A familiar shoreline calls to you. You better plot a homewards course. A ragged man in a faded coat, he's reaching for your heart. You gotta fend him off yourself, 'cause I must now depart. But I'll be watching every move you made from the dark edge of the wood. I wish you well in everything you do. I won't be gone for good. Red sunset in a parish sky, many more miles to go. Storm warning on the street tonight. You better find your own way home. You better find your own way home.